In our previous video, we explained the ins and outs of PATs, and now we're diving deeper into the process with a method used in newer Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. This method involves a synchronous reset of the PCM, ICM, and sometimes even the TCM to ensure a successful key programming procedure. To get started, you'll need two working keys that aren't clones of each other. The vehicle's computer will treat them as one key if they have the same transponder code. From there, it's a matter of following the steps in the correct order. 1. Connect the scan tool with built-in PATS functionality to the OBD2 port. 2. Insert one key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, while keeping the second key away from the ignition to avoid interrupting the process. 3. Use the scan tool to gain access to PATS. This step takes about 10 minutes, and once it's done, you'll see a menu of programming options. 4. Select Unlimited Key Mode Off from the menu. 5. Select Parameter Reset from the menu. 6. Select Key Erase and Program. If your scan tool has these functions as separate options, first erase the keys and then select Key Programming option. 7. Follow the prompts on your scan tool to cycle the first and second keys as instructed. These steps may vary slightly depending on the vehicle's year, make, and model. With PATS successfully completed, your vehicle will now start and run with both keys. Thanks for joining us on this key programming journey. Click the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. And don't forget to visit AREStechnologies.com for all your module needs.